All right, so another task that I'm working on today, since we are getting all the stuff finalized as we move over to this new location, is we actually don't have insurance cards for every single truck. And what we're gonna do is put each one of these sheets in a document protector just like this. So that way each truck in the black binder on the right side of the driver's seat, every single one will have their insurance card in case one of the guys do get pulled over. So, all right, so what's the scoop?
I'm cleaning out our garage because the business is moving.
For the last time. It's official, this is the last day. This is the last day for this shop. All right, so this morning and today what we've got going on is we're gonna be doing what, two estimates?
Two estimates.
And I think this is like St. Augustine right
That's
here
St.
coming
Augustine.
in. All right, so we just got done doing that estimate. What's this one here on the right?
It's this one right here on the right.
Okay.
1201.
Yeah, that tree ring up by the tree is, I don't know if there is a tree ring there anymore.
You can see it, but there's definitely no mulch around it. Right by the door. Oh no, there is mulch.
Looks like there's a dead plant there.
And then you have another struggling boxwood there.
Got drip line here exposed. Got rocks over here.
You got weeds in the rocks.
Then she said there were ants in here too, right?
She said insects in the bed, and she doesn't know what they were.
Okay. And then you got a little baby flower bed back here too that guys are gonna have to get.
Yeah.
Just finishing up this estimate here, gonna send it to the customer. Also, he's gonna put some notes in the on the in-service autopilot for mowing and weed control services, because the customer said that they were interested in that and wasn't really happy with their current mow company. So last thing that we're gonna do is hand out some flyers. So we do this on every stop. Anytime we do an estimate, we always hand out roughly about 5 flyers on the surrounding houses. All right, so it is almost 5 p.m. and we are just wrapping up. We'll definitely get some good footage of that tomorrow with the guys rolling out with their equipment and stuff like that. And you got anything to kind of recap today, or?
We do still have to get the equipment out of the storage unit. We got some of it. There's still more over there. But mostly the stuff out of our own garage that the guys use.
And then, so like this week, we've got Friday off. So
For Veterans Day.
for Veterans Day, obviously with us being a military company, gotta have Veterans Day off. So, yep, we got Friday off. We're actually gonna be doing a barbecue cookout with our team. And we're just gonna have a good time. I think a couple other people on the team are gonna be hanging out with us too, coming out. But yeah, we're gonna get together, eat some good food, maybe make some mac and cheese, and just cornbread casserole,
brisket.
maybe some chocolate chip cookies if we get lucky, you know. So, but it'll be a good time. We're all gonna hang out, build rapport with the team. We're now in the season where we're in our slower season, so we actually have Fridays off moving forward through the winter. So we work 4-day work weeks, and really that just allows, just because hours do go down a little bit in the winter, it just allows when the guys, when they do come in for those Monday through Thursday days, that there's more work on the schedule for them and they could do more full days instead of coming in 5 days a week with kind of shorter hours. So, but other than that, I think day 3 starts tomorrow. So super excited, and we get to talk to personally with Mike Andy, so super excited to hear his input and everything with the coaching call. Oh wait, no, that's tomorrow. So cool. We'll see you guys.